So hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Welcome back to Sterling Forex. Like I've taught you guys in some of my videos before about the schematics that bank don't want you to know. Now today we want to do a little breakdown of everything because I did taught you that time, but you know trading is a quite complex field, and because the market is in fractal nature, that's why we keep on breaking down until we finish everything so you can understand better how these things work. So now what I'm actually talking about is the schematics that banks don't want you to know. The schematics I did in my other video. If you have not seen that video, please make sure to watch that video so you can understand this one. So let's move on. So now we are talking about the Wyckoff schematics here. So now I know a lot of you will be like, what is the Wyckoff schematics? How will it help me? I'm okay with my resistance and support and my supply and demand and all of that. But hold on. Wyckoff schematics has stood the test of time for years. For more than 70 years today, Wyckoff schematics has stood the test of time. So I want to tell you and I want to assure you, me, I've used it. It's working for me and other professional traders. I wouldn't bring this to you because a lot of traders who teach this, they teach it on a paid course, or a paid master class. So today I'm bringing these Wyckoff schematics to you for free. So make sure to subscribe and make sure to like this video, and as well comment. If you find anything confusing or interesting, I will attend to your comments. Okay, so let's just move into the video. So today we are talking about the Wyckoff schematics, and firstly we'll consider accumulation. Second, we consider distribution. Firstly, we'll be considering the accumulation, and the accumulation, you have to consider 10 factors. 10 factors, and listen to me. Do not be distracted. Make sure you are taking notes so that you can learn. So firstly, we'll be considering the preliminary support, which is the move that tries to stop the sell move. Then we have the selling climbers. The selling climbers. After the selling climbers, we have the automatic rally. After the automatic rally, we have the secondary test. After the secondary test, we have the uptrust action. After the uptrust action, then we have the secondary test as sign of weakness. Then the next move, we have liquidity. Then after liquidity, we see price come back down again to give us what we call the spring. That means the next is the spring. The spring could be terminal shakeout, which is TSO. The spring could be LPS, last point of support, or test spring. So then after this spring, we see price move into sign of strength. That is a jack above the creek. I know these things may sound very strange for those of you who are just new to the field of trading, or just new to this theory of Wyckoff schematics. But nonetheless, like I said, if you find anything interesting or confusing, comment on the comment section and I will attend to you. If you want me to make more of this video, if you want me to explain more, just comment and tell me I want to see more deeper knowledge on this, and I will make everything about this to make sure that you learn and perfect your craft in the trading world. So yeah, that's for the accumulation, and now we'll be going to but before we move into distribution, we have reaccumulation, and we are going to also dive into the reaccumulation to see what we got. So let's go. So we have, firstly, we consider because reaccumulation is that the market is already in a bullish mood. It's already buying. and then we are, the banks and these market makers, the big boys, the big players, the whales, they are already setting up to still confuse more of you retail traders. Okay, let me not say more of you retail traders, because I'm also a retail trader, but I don't trade like a retail trader. I trade the way the banks trade. I trade the way professionals trade. And if you trade that way, you're gonna make money. You're gonna be in profit, forever stuck in profit, like Happy Forex used to say. So in the reaccumulation, we consider firstly the PSY, which is the preliminary supply, and then we get the buying climbers. After the buying climbers, we get to the automatic rally. After the automatic rally, we get to the secondary test. After the secondary test, we get the fake out. After the fake out, we get the uptrust action. Then after the uptrust action, we have the secondary test as sign of weakness. Then after the secondary test as sign of weakness, we have liquidity. Then after liquidity, we have spring, which could be terminal shakeout, TSO, or LPS, last point of support. And then we see sign of strength. Then after the sign of strength, we take off. So that this is all for accumulation. This is all for accumulation. Now we move into distribution. We move into distribution. So firstly, we have our PSY, which is preliminary supply. We have the buying climbers. After the buying climbers, we have the automatic rally. After the automatic rally, we have the secondary test. After the secondary test, we have minor sign of weakness. Minor sign of weakness. After the minor sign of weakness, then we have the uptrust. Then after the uptrust, we have liquidity. After liquidity, then we see price create the next thing we call UTAD. After the UTAD, which UTAD simply means the uptrust after distribution. Then after the UTAD, or maybe LPSY, which simply means last point of supply. Last point of supply. So after the LPSY or the UTAD, then we see price make a move down and then create major sign of weakness. Major sign of weakness. And note, the accumulation is for strong hands, while the distribution is for weak hands. That is kind of like a switch from weak hands to strong hands, and also a switch from strong hands to weak hands. So after the major sign of weakness, then we see some kind of a test. A test that's a pullback, testing the level, and then we plunge down and down and down. So first of all, I know my explanations could be a little bit bumpy, but anything you find confusing, just comment and I will attend to your comment. Be it 100%, 200%, I will attend to all of your comments. And if you want me to make a deeper video, a deeper lesson on this topic, then comment I want to see more. I want to see more, and surely I will give you more and deeper and deeper. So we move into the redistribution. We are done with the distribution phase, done with the accumulation and reaccumulation phase. So now we move into the redistribution. So the redistribution is simply that the price is already in a downtrend, that is already in a bearish mood. Then we have PS, which is preliminary support. From PS to selling climbers, from selling climbers to automatic rally to secondary test to fake out to minor sign of weakness, then minor sign of weakness to uptrust. Then after uptrust, we have our liquidity, that's to liquidity. Then after liquidity, we have last point of supply or UTAD. Then after the UTAD, we see price go lower to make major sign of weakness. Then after the major sign of weakness, we see a test, and after that test, we are going down, 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 making more money. Forever stock in profit, bro. Forever stock in profit. So if you are a struggling trader out there and you're like, I want to make it big, I want to make it, I've been losing money, you know it, and all of these things, just stick to this strategy, just stick to this theory. I tell you, comment in the comment section and I'll bring more, and I'll make sure that I put this thing in your head and make sure that you understand it, and we grow together. Remember, I lift as I rise. I've not become like Happy Forex. I've not become like Jeffrey Benson and all other guys that are young, and doing super well in Forex trading. But the little I know and the little God has given me, the money I've been making, I also intend to give back to the society, give back to the community of Forex traders in Nigeria, the community of Forex traders in Africa, and also in the world at large. So make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you're just coming new to this channel, make sure to like this video and as well comment. If you find anything interesting or confusing, just comment and I will attend to your comments. So thank you so much. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Thank you and God bless you.